Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video I'm going to talk about the value of having an oak stump in your blacksmith shop. So blacksmiths have been using all forms of wooden stumps in one form or another in blacksmith shops for a long time because they are a very handy tool and they are a very cheap cost investment for your workshop. So it's very much worth your effort to either buy or find or scrounge or get a good wooden stump for your workshop. So it can be as simple as this, like what I have here. I have just a basic piece of railroad tie. It used to be an old, well, it was a railroad tie. It came from the milling place, the lumber mill. And it was an end cut off of what would become a railroad tie. This piece here actually happens to be a piece of red oak. You can do red oak or white oak. Those make really great swage blocks in my opinion. I've had this swage block now for going on 8 years and it's held up all this time. Now it's finally starting to give up the gusto as it's starting to have some cracks and some chinking and things like that. But I'm going to use it until it splits in half and then I'm going to clean it up, and I'm probably still going to use those pieces in my shop just for smaller swedges. Now I use this for doing things like texturing rose blanks like what you see here, and I do that on an end grain. Oak holds up really well to shots with a hammer blow against end grain. It holds up really fantastic. It'll look like it's kind of all getting marred up at first until those wood grains pack down, those fibers do, and then it really hardens up quite a bit. And then I also use the side of it as well for different bowl depressions or different swedges. And I've forged bowls as large as 3 foot in diameter right out of this swedge block here, all the way down to bowls about this size. This is copper work, current job I'm working on. This one was forged. This is a 16-inch diameter bowl, and again, it was forged and formed on the same block. So what did this cost me? Well, I think I paid $270 for an entire pickup truckload of end cuts like this, some of them longer, some of them shorter, but that was it. You know, $270 for more blocks than I could take and shake a stick at. Of course, I did the stupid thing and I was burning firewood at that time, so they make great firewood. So this block and one other is the only ones that I have left out of the pile, and it's predominantly what I use a block for. I'm like, well, we'll give it a shot and see if this will work. And it has for quite a long time. So chances are you can find good wood blocks like this. You might even be able to go down to a lumber mill yourself and find some railroad tie end cut pieces, or just tell them what you're looking for, somewhere like a white oak or a red oak block, and that should help you out. You know, somebody, they might give it to you, they might charge you a couple bucks, but you can make a lot of money on a wood block like this, and I certainly have for great many years. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this type of content, let me know down in the comment section down below. Hit that like button if you liked it, and share this video with your friends if you found it informative enough to do so. So without further ado, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.